how to back up your Tonkeeper wallet. Hello guys and welcome back. We're back with another tutorial. So let's get started. In order to back up your Tonkeeper wallet, you'll first need to download the Tonkeeper application and log in. If you don't have an account, you'll need to open an account first on Tonkeeper wallet and then click on Tonkeeper application. You'll be redirected to the home page of Tonkeeper. So what you have to do is scroll down and click on backup the wallet recovery phase and then just click on this. Now here you can set up the manual backup your wallet manually by writing down the recovery phase. So you can just click on backup manually. And now you need to read the following carefully. So it is please read the following carefully before viewing your recovery phase. Never enter your recovery phase any other place than Tonkeeper to access your wallet. Tonkeeper support never asks for a recovery phrase and everybody with your recovery phrase can access your wallet. So just click on continue and you'll have to write down your password and then your Tonkeeper would be backed up manually. So that is basically how you can back up your Tonkeeper wallet. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.